What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro here once more. So this is my final thoughts about the Feiyutech AK2000C. Roll intro. So the Feiyutech AK2000C, compact, very small, because not all compact things are very small, but yeah, I must say this is a very cool gimbal, and it managed my GH4 pretty well, I must say. It's basically like any typical gimbal, but just cheaper. This is about $200 something, I don't remember the exact price, yeah, but these are like $200 something. And it's basically the same features as any other gimbal. So I must say that the touchscreen feature is pretty dope. The test footage that I got from this gimbal is pretty smooth. Too bad it can't really hold certain type of weight, but I have this for my backup camera, well, my vlogging camera / BTS camera. To balance this gimbal is very easy. It never took me that long. I think it took me like about 5 minutes or so, or probably 2 minutes, I'm not sure. And it worked pretty well. And if I had an issue with balancing it, I just calibrate it and it worked. I love some of the features on it. Yo, the motion time lapse. Well, but the thing is the cable options, right? So I want to I can control the camera from down here, but the cables that came in the box it's not compatible with the GH4, unfortunately. But it is compatible with my Sony A7III. Outside of that, there's not much to say because it's like basically the same gimbal like most other gimbals, just that it's small. You can just run up and down with this. But there's one thing though. There's no battery. As in, I can't like remove the battery. Once I charge it, I just have to charge it. So there's no means for me to change out the battery. And I thought I could change out the battery, but there's nothing like that. No battery. I love the mounting features on it, where I can actually mount a monitor right here, or another monitor to the other side, or if I want to set up just a side angle. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love the locking mechanism. If I want to just lock it while I'm balancing the gimbal. I like the design of it, which I mentioned before, right? And you know, the basic 3 function capabilities is this 3, okay? And you can lock the touch screen so you don't make any mistakes, right? So you know, bam, 1, 2, 3, you turn around, selfie. Yo, so what's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro once more. 1, 2, 3, back around, bam, lock on focus, 1, 2. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, so if I would buy this gimbal for the price, yeah, for this type of camera, yeah, but not for like bigger cameras, because I tried to balance my A7III with an 85 Batis 1.8, but that never worked out at all. But for the smaller cameras, yes, this is perfect for small cameras. I love the grip and everything, and yeah, yo, I'm not gonna lie, this is a good buy. The battery life is pretty, it lasts pretty long, yeah. Like, well, I haven't killed the battery since I got it, so I haven't killed the battery since I got it. So you guys, this is not a long in-depth review of this thing. This is just my option in saying that, yo, I would get this based on some of the shots that I showed you. I would get this. It's like basic. It's like basically like any gimbal that you see before. Similar features. Most gimbals have the same features, so yeah. But the price for some gimbals is very expensive. So for this one, I would say, yeah, this is a good buy. This is a good buy. Professional use? Yeah. I would use this for like a run and gun professional use, but based on the budget of the client, you get me? Yeah. This is like a real run and gun professional use. And because I did an auto calibration, this thing actually, it's balanced perfect. It's balanced perfect. Okay guys, so that's it. I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.